Hey creatives, welcome back to Everyday Creatives. If you are new here, I am Shrikant and I am all about helping you unlock your creative potential. If you have been here before, well, you are basically a brainstorming wizard by now, right? Today we are talking about one of my favorite topics, brainstorming techniques. Whether you are stuck in a creative rut or just looking for fresh ideas, I am going to share some fun and easy ways to get those creative juices flowing. And trust me, these techniques will have you coming up with the ideas faster than you can say brainstorming. So if you are ready to get inspired, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First up, free writing. This is one of the simplest but most effective brainstorming techniques. Set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes, grab a notebook or your keyboard, and just write non-stop. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or even making sense. Just let the words flow. The goal is to get your thoughts out on paper without overthinking. You might be surprised at the random ideas that come out when you are not trying too hard. And yes, it's totally okay if your writing devolves into I really want pizza right now. Trust the process. Next, we have mind mapping. This is a visual brainstorming technique where you start with a central idea like new video ideas and then branch off into related concepts. It's like turning your brain into a spider web of creative thoughts. For example, start with a central idea like content ideas, then branch out into creativity tips, productivity, or funny stories. The great thing about mind mapping is that it helps you see connections between ideas you wouldn't normally put together. Alright, next up is a fun one, the 100 ideas method. The goal here is simple, write down 100 ideas for whatever problem or project you are working on. And before you panic, yes, it's totally okay if the first 50 ideas are terrible. The magic happens when you push through the obvious ideas and start digging into the unexpected. For example, if you are brainstorming new project ideas, by the time you get to idea 75, your brain is working in overdrive and might come up with something completely out of the box. Plus, it's a great way to break through the perfectionism that holds us back. And hey, if you make it to 100 ideas, treat yourself to something nice. You have earned it. Next one is my favorite, role reversal. When you are brainstorming, you put yourself in someone else's shoe. Literally, ask yourself how would Sherlock Holmes approach this problem? Whether it's an artist, a business mogul, or even a fictional character, stepping into someone else's perspective helps you see things differently. For example, how would Beyonce brainstorm a new video idea? Or what would Sherlock Holmes do to solve this creative block? The point is, by changing your perspective, you unlock new ways of thinking that might not have crossed your mind. Another fun technique is brainstorming with constraints. Sometimes having too much freedom can overwhelm us. So adding a few limitations can actually boost creativity. For example, limit yourself to 3 words per idea, or brainstorm using only doodles, or try brainstorming while standing on one leg. The idea here is that when you give yourself a challenge, it forces your brain to get more creative with the resources it has. It sounds silly, but trust me, constraints can lead to some of the best ideas. And if you fall over while standing on one leg, that is just a part of the creative process. Last but definitely not least, group brainstorming. Sometimes the best ideas come from collaboration. Grab a few friends, co workers, or fellow creatives and start bouncing ideas off each other. Everyone sees things differently. So, when you brainstorm in a group, you get a ton of fresh perspective. Plus, it's just more fun when you are doing it together. Just make sure to create a judgment free zone when no idea is too wild or too weird. Those are often the best ones. And hey, who doesn't love a good brainstorm party? And there you have it, 6 funny and easy brainstorming techniques to help you generate fresh ideas whenever you are feeling stuck. Whether you are free writing, mind mapping, or getting together with friends, these techniques will help you unlock your creativity and come up with something amazing. So, which brainstorming technique are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more creative tips, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best ideas are just one brainstorm away. See you in the next video.